here with my lovely breakfast that I just made, and this morning I've got half avocado smashed on a slice of bread and omelette with cheese and mushroom, which I just burned it because I left over cooking. I wanted good cooked and I burned it. What a bad teacher. And then I've got a banana cut in half, and I put on the top some almond butter and coconut powder. I really love this breakfast and it's very high in protein. I need it this morning because I'm very busy. I love almond butter, but it's just so sticky.
I really wanted to get it right, trying to find some balance in my life, but I never really put up a fight, didn't follow my dreams, and now I'm losing.
Hi guys, I just had a shower post-workout. Today has been a very intense workout. I did a 20-25 minutes cardio and then I did a 10-15 minutes of legs and abs. This is week number 3 of my diet challenge, and the diet I'm gonna try this week is the keto diet. And the reason why I chosen this diet is because I want to compare with the paleo diet. They both quite similar. With the paleo diet, you can't introduce any kind of carbohydrate in your diet, or at least like in very low amount. With the keto diet, it's like something a bit better, let's say. Still high protein, medium fat, and very low carbohydrate, which I'll try to be flexible on these things, because in terms of fatigue, I found out myself that with the paleo diet, it's not the right diet for me, because I was feeling very tired, although I was eating protein, which is good for your body, for your muscles. In terms of mind, without glucose, guys, this one, it doesn't work, unfortunately. So last night, while I was doing a night shift and the world was a bit nice and calm, I just made a list with all the kind of element that you can eat with the keto diet. So you can eat the fat, so olive oil, sesame oil, butter, soya, dairy product with very low carbohydrate. And then protein, of course, eggs, meat, fish. And then vegetables, low sugar, so zucchini, asparagus, broccoli, mushrooms. And then you can integrate some protein powder to give you not only protein but also minerals that you're not gonna have with the fruit, because in the keto diet it's very low amount of fruit. Then you can have nuts and some seasonal fruit. But most important, guys, you must have 2 liters water in a day. And I'll tell you why. The glucose is very important for our body. For example, the brain cells, they're not working without glucose. It's very important for them because from the glucose they can get energy. What happens when with the keto diet we don't introduce in our body carbohydrates and glucose? When the body can't find any glucose inside our body cells, it's starting to break down our own fat and protein, which is good for the diet. But something else is going to happen inside our liver, where there is the transformation of these fatty parts, called also fatty acids, into ketones. That's where the name of the diet came from. A big amount of ketones in our body brings to a condition called ketoacidosis, which is very common also for diabetic people. And it's very dangerous because it can lead to coma and even worse, death. That's why it's important that with the keto diet, you must drink 2 liters of water per day, because you have to drain out with the urine all these ketones. Otherwise, it's gonna cause you lots of problems for all your body. Keto diet is a very serious and dangerous diet, guys. That's why for people who want to start this diet long term, they have to speak with a specialist before to start. However, I made it easier for myself because I know myself, I know my limits and I know my needs. And with the kind of work I'm doing, I'm dealing almost every day with people with ketoacidosis, especially in this country, in UK, where the diabetes is very common. And I have a few more knowledge about the prevention and the treatment of ketoacidosis. So I hope it's not gonna bring me any damage. And I will see you again at the end of this week. So we will talk again about this. Good morning, guys. I hope you had a very good night. I had a good rest, and this morning I woke up and I had my breakfast, my 3 mini omelette with spinach and matchaccino. I love matchaccino. Now I'm ready to go to run. I'm gonna do my 5k in the park with the app Coach to 5k, and then later I'm gonna meet one of my friends. How cute this place.
Eat me, eat me, eat me. No, nothing.
They dead.
Eat me.
I am here with my friend
Rococo.
We're having lunch, and this is my lunch today. Chicken wrap with some salad inside, some apple, carrot,
And
orange juice. Today is watering day for my plants, and I'm gonna introduce you my babies and I'm gonna show you how do I take care of them. Hi babies, from today you're gonna have a new sister. Be good with her. I just put the camera in front of the mirror so you have a good view of myself and my plants down here. So I'm gonna introduce you my babies because each of them has got a name, real name. And I'm gonna start with a new member of the family, which is this one. I bought it today from my friend because he's a plant lover. He's got the house full of plants and now he's trying to propagate few of them, so he just gave me this one. I love it. I was looking for one of these. Her name is Pepina. I just given now Pepina, and it's part of the family Pilea peperomoides. I had to write down because it's a very complicated name, and it's called also money plant, friendship plant, lucky plant. So I hope it's gonna give me good luck. It's very good plant. I like it. So Pepina had already water at my friend's house, so I'm not gonna give extra water for now. And then I've got another one. This one, it's a big terrarium I made last year, and actually there were many plants, more than how they are now. They were mixed like succulents and a couple of cactus. Few of them are dead, unfortunately, because I was trying to be a good mother, but I watered them too much and they just dead. So at the moment I've got inside just 3 cactus, 2 succulent and some live stones. And this one I watered them yesterday because I realized one of the cactus was very flaccid. It's got like some wrinkles around, so I was thinking maybe it needs some water. So I watered the terrarium yesterday. I'm not gonna give water today. Then we got this one. This is Sansa and is part of the Sansevieria family. It's called also snake plant because it looks like a snake. And it's called also mother-in-law's tongue. I don't know why, don't ask me. Unfortunately, this one was very good. All the leaves, until a few weeks ago, all the leaves, they were tall and open like this one. This is one of the new leaves, one baby that's becoming adult now. In the last few weeks, the leaves are, especially this down here, they're closing, becoming very flaccid, and I think I didn't give too much water. So this one needs a proper bath at the moment. And then I've got this one. This is called Dracy and it's part of the family Dracaena. Specifically it's called the Dracaena fragrance tornado, and the reason is because if you see, all the leaves are going in circle like a vertigo, so like a tornado. This is my favorite. I love all my baby plants, but this is my favorite. I bought this one last year, last summer. It didn't lose any leaves, no problem at all, and actually it's becoming taller and taller and taller. When I bought it, it was like half of it just down here, and now it's got all these new babies, new leaves up here. And I know this kind of plant, Dracaena, they're becoming very tall, and I look forward because it must be very nice. Last but not least is this one, alle, and this is part of the family aloe. It's called the aloe aculeata because, as you can see, it's got all these spikes inside and outside, and actually they sting very bad if you touch it. So I'm trying to be careful all the time with it. And last time I've given water was a month ago because it's like all the other cactus and succulents, doesn't need to have too much water, but I'm gonna water today. So the technique I'm using to water my plant is a kind of technique that many florists are using, and basically is putting the plants inside a bowl with water and having a proper bath. So in this way it's the plant who deciding how much water wants to have. Also, because it's summer, usually spring summer is a good moment to give some plant food so they can grow up a bit more. And I'm using this product, which is a Miracle Grow all-purpose liquid plant food. According with the direction, I have to put half cup of this in a liter water. Okay, give a bit shake. So it's good. And then I'm going to put all my plants together, that's not a problem, all my plants in this bowl. So as I said, they're gonna have a little bit time for themselves in the water, they can have fun, and that's it. In the meantime, while they are soaking from the bottom, I'm gonna clean the leaves because I can see a bit of dust on top of some leaves. Good morning everybody, today is Friday post my night shift. How many night shifts are you doing? Lots and lots of nights, because in the summer when it's sunny I like to go during the day out in the park doing my own business, and then at night time I like to work. Different in the winter, I don't mind to do long days. It's lunchtime and I just made a very huge salad. Very huge salad. I don't know if I can manage to eat all of it. It's just like when I do salads, I like to put everything inside. And in this one we got lettuce leaves, spinach, tomatoes, carrots, and then we go in the middle the avocado, and then we got some grapefruits. I'm using this one rather than lemon to give a bit more texture. And then I made some grilled halloumi. Then I put on the top a bit of seeds. You can't see it, but there are some different seeds. And then I put it aside as prawn, just a bit of marinated prawns with some paprika, salt and pepper, and that's it. That's gonna be my lunch today. I just received a delivery a few minutes ago. Today I'm gonna start these capsules here. Basically they are kind of melanin accelerator, melanin booster, because in 15-20 days I will go in Italy, and there it's very sunny. Here the weather is so bad, so I want to prepare my skin for sun exposures. I just left my house. Today it's quite hot here, sunny, and it's 6 o'clock in the evening. I'm going for a walk because I'm very tired. You can see from my face, I'm having very tired face post night. And I just want to relax a moment. I want to enjoy a bit of the sun. I'm going towards the Chelsea Bridge, so I'm going to have a walk towards Chelsea area.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
This is one of the best places here in London, very relaxing. You can admire all these ships and yacht, and it's just so relaxing. There are no people around because, of course, mainly here the buildings are mainly for work, offices, and at the moment there are no people. That's why it's so relaxing. You know when they say if you're stressed, if you have your mind full of thoughts or negative thoughts, just take your phone, your headphone, and have a very long walk. It will help you to relax, to clear out your mind. That's exactly true, guys. I was feeling very tired and with no energy at all before, and I took this long walk from Battersea Park here to Chelsea Harbour. It's so beautiful. You can admire the nature, all the wonderful things we got in nature, and that makes you feel better. Hi guys, and happy Sunday. I'm making my weekly video here inside Green Park in London. Weather as usual is not great, it's cloudy, but I'm waiting for a friend just to have a walk, just to socialize a bit, because I just realized in the last period I'm not having social life at all. Just talking very quickly about what happened last week with the keto diet. As you can see from the picture, I haven't lost any weight. I was 70 and I'm still 70. I do believe maybe because I didn't do this diet properly. I've been quite flexible. The main reason why I believe I didn't lose weight is because the keto diet is a kind of diet not studied for losing weight mainly. It's more for building muscles, building strength and everything in your body. But as I said, for the paleo diet, I don't really like it, because I like to eat a bit of everything and with moderation, like changing different food every day. I don't like to eat all the time meat and fish, only vegetable. That's the reason why I can't be vegetarian, vegan, because I just don't like eating always the same things. From next week I'm gonna do another diet which I tried already, is the Kalat-Zines diet. Basically, Kalat-Zines is an Australian personal trainer. She's very famous. She built an empire in the last few years based on food, nutrition and fitness, of course. I subscribed to her app, which is called Sweat, and it gives you like a program, BBG program, lots of fitness and sport activities you can do at home, in the gym, in the park, everywhere, with and without equipment. And also in the app there is also like a kind of diet, so she's gonna give you like an entire month, so 4 weeks of meal plan, and then every month it's gonna be the same. That's the reason why I stopped. After a month and a half, I was tired to cook every week the same things. But I worked. I did in April, and that was the beginning of my losing weight, when I was 75 and then I became 73, 72. And it's very mixed diet. You can choose it in the standard, vegetarian, pescatarian. It's very different diet. Anyway, I wish you a happy Sunday. My friend is almost here and we try to enjoy a couple of hours of this afternoon. From tomorrow is gonna start another week of challenge, so new workout, new meal plan. If you liked the video, please don't forget to put the thumb up and subscribe to support my channel. See you next time, guys.